What is up, guys? Thank you for tuning in. I am back on this 26-foot regulator. It's got a handful of gelcoat repairs up the side yesterday, and also up top. Yesterday I went around and sprayed most of these. Ran out of gelcoat and ran out of time. Got one or two. I still need to throw some gelcoat on. Well, most of these are in good shape. There's a bunch up top as well. And some awlgrip spots left here. Otherwise, looking pretty good. More repairs around. These hatches and all up the sides needed some paint all up here. So today I'm gonna spray what's left, and then there's a couple of spots you can see. There's some little holes, so I'll go around, make sure those were filled up too. Yeah, here's another one. It's a good size, actually. It's all around the rail. So those are matched and sprayed, and we got one dash here, and up top with paint gel coat. I'm about to send that out too. This is all looking good, nice and dry and not sticky. That's what I like. So that's what I'll do. Basically, it's just the toe that needs gel coat. So I will spray that this morning, and then I can go on to sand out the rest of this. Hopefully I get awlgrip today for the hull. There's a couple other little dings too. I went to the spot I usually order awlgrip from, and I ordered it Tuesday. Today's Friday, right? And I haven't heard from them. Usually it's 24 or maybe 48 hours tops. But I went down there this morning. This guy told me that the main distributor or supplier for Kellogg and all these guys was hacked on Saturday. So all the orders that were put in on, Monday, Tuesday, earlier this week, just aren't there, basically. You can see someone did a little bit of a repair here already. So, I don't know. They're saying there's a good chance that I can get the paint on the truck this afternoon. So, in any case, I'm hopeful for that. This is due tomorrow, but it's looking like it's going to take another day. And look at this. See this? I was kind of worried about that. See this yellow? There was a hole here with an old repair in it, and it had some yellow stuff in there that I thought might be epoxy or something. And look at this. This is all garbage. So, man, I'm gonna have to take that out, which I was thinking I should have done anyway, but I don't know what that is even. Maybe that's not a box, it's like wood filler, something stupid. So I'll take all that. I'll remove all of that and do it over. Deal. Everything else looks good. Looking good. So if you made it this far, you made it pretty far. Go ahead, subscribe, like the video if you care to. Show your buddies, and you will get notifications for this and other jobs we have going on. Do appreciate it. Thanks for watching.